May I invite Dr. Lalit Thavir Srivastava, Director, Asian Education Group, for the welcome address.
Good morning, everybody. This is indeed my absolute honor to welcome you all to this inaugural ceremony of the Asian School of Business Batch 2020. With all my due respect, I would, on behalf of the entire Asian Education Group fraternity, would like to welcome the honorable guests today who have consented to be the part and parcel of the orientation program and bless the students of Asian Education Group who have taken admission in BBA and BCA program here. And my gratitude to Honorable Minister Sri Suresh Prabhakar Prabhuji, who has consented to be the chief guest of the program today, Dr. R.S. Sodhi, the Managing Director of AMUL, Dr. Sandeep Marwa, the Chairman of Asian Education Group, Mr. Saurabh Sharma, the Director for the Asian Education Group, and Mr. Gurdeep Singh Raina, the Director of Asian Education Group, my Dean for Asian School of Business, Mr. Maruf, who's there available today amongst us, and then the deans of the other departments and the faculty members of Asian Education Group. Dear students, this is a new beginning that you are entering into. So I welcome you all to the new norms of the education industry now. The last 7, 8 months that COVID-19 that we have been struggling, but the positive aspect of this, if you see, though it has changed a lot of things in the entire life of the individuals globally and also economically, the entire globe that has been suffering. But positive side, if you see, it has given the new norms to live, the innovation and the creativity that people could develop and then think of the survival of the fetus for their own selves. And that is how the entire country, entire globe, and the individuals have taken the best care of themselves during this time. And then industries, the people from the various economic backgrounds and the academic backgrounds had given their heads that how to take it forward. And today, gradually, we all are conquering the battle against COVID-19 and then establishing the new norms for the growth of the people, the industry, the globe, and the country. So with all those changes where there was a lot of question marks that what would happen to the students, what would happen to, and I'm talking specifically about the academic industry now, that what would happen to the students, what would happen to their precious year that they have studied, and then what would happen to their future. A lot many question marks were which were there, and ideally people were not able to visualize that this session would be commencing. But by the grace of God, we and many of the industry in the industry academic institution have taken those initiatives. We particularly at Asian Education Group had conducted the examination and online classes for the previous batches, and very gloriously that they have completed their year and then even started their new next year of their education with Asian Education Group. So the Asian Education Group is actually prepared to take care of all the needs that you have as of now today. I understand today being the very first day when you are being introduced to the new system of academics, you must be having a lot of question marks in your mind that how would I study, what would be my learning, what would be the skill development, and then how would I be growing professionally. But uh, from here at this end, being the director of Asian Education Group, I can assure you that at Asian Education Group, we have taken care of each and everything that can create the hindrance for your development. So we are all equipped to take care of your academics, professional development, skill development, personal development, so that you cover this education and there is no question mark on you for not having that caliber to be corporate ready after 3 years of your time. So this year again, though the challenges of COVID has not been over now, but then I look at you are ready to take the challenges of the another new world that you are entering into. What you are entering into is a professional world, a corporate world, where each one of you have some expectations of developing yourself very professionally, and then after 3 years, everybody has gotten in his mind that I should be financially individual independent and financially independent individual, and should be contributing to my own self, to my family, to my peers, to my society, to my nation, and to the globe gradually. So uh, that is the journey that you are starting, and you need to take that challenge that this COVID has taught us how to take those challenges and then come out with the flying colors. So even here, when you are starting your journey, I would like to request you to be focused for two three things that you need to keep in your mind. One is being focused on what you are entering with in this institution. Two, introspect your own self, sitting at your own end, that you what you actually want to do, and how gradually these 3 years that you can plan for yourself, where all your dreams that you have seen would come true. Then the third thing is the individuality that you have, because that is again going to matter the most. Because though you are entering in this institution in a good number, in a group, but then individually that you need to train yourself, and that individually is individuality only is going to make a major difference after 3 years what you develop yourself for. No two people would be same, and no two people on the same quality, on the same talent, and same professional quotient that the industry and the corporate will buy for. So please focus on your individuality. And all this time when you are onto the online learning module, where the classes would be online, and then all those events and activities for your professional development would be online, you need to practice the self control, right? Because you need not come to the campus. So your faculty members and the other caretakers would not be there to correct and check. But then during this time, there is only your self control and self consciousness that, yes, I need to, do this. I need to have this. I need to actually complete my course and, do the best to me, even in these times. So have that self control, have that responsibility, be responsible for yourself. It is not that somebody else would come and tell you what you are supposed to do, though the teachers, the mentors, all these programs which are there would keep helping you during this time as well. And as soon as we open the campus and you are there in the campus, the things would be different. But we have tried to make it like where you don't face any problem, even in the duration when you are online with us. So the focus is on individuality and your responsibility that you take for your own self. Once you are responsible for your own self, the things would be in the right stride. And I'm very sure with the help of the campus, you would be able to achieve what you have dreamt for, and with all the dreams that you are entering into the Asian School of Business. With all that, I don't want to take much of your time, because I have got a detailed session with you tomorrow where we can discuss all these issues, and take care. Will explain you, acquaint you with the campus and your faculty members. So all the very best, and welcome to the board again. Thank you so much.